At Marchwood, we offer a complete range of testing for the stack industry, which includes the analysis of dioxins and furans. We analyse them as they are among the most toxic compounds on the planet, and they are heavily regulated. The regulations have been updated recently to include brominated dioxins as well as chlorinated dioxins.
These substances are quite nasty. They're very stable, which is one of their problems. As soon as they enter the environment, they will stay there for a very long time. Here at Marchwood, we are developing a method of analysis to test for brominated dioxins. We are the first in the UK to do this, and we are working with our customers to make sure they comply with the regulations that come into force next year. Brominated dioxins are generated through incomplete combustion, and they are produced by accident, but unfortunately they still make their way into the atmosphere.
We dispatch sample media to our customers, which includes a quartz filter, an XAD resin trap and wash bottles, the complete package for our customer. When we receive a sample, it is unpacked and labelled with a unique code and sent to the laboratory for extraction. Samples are combined in the laboratory and extracted and then put through a multi-stage cleanup and concentration before analysis on the high-resolution instrumentation. We are catching particulate analysis via a filter and gaseous phase analysis via XAD resin.
So Marchwood offer a complete solution for stacks testing. We have the greatest capacity in the UK, and we can offer all of the ranges of testing that are required in the regulations. We've invested in different types of analysis, which are the most up-to-date, to be able to offer the broadest service to our customers. We get generally 150 samples a week, all to go through the same process.
Stack samples are generally taken at greater than 4 metre cubed volume, and they are trapped onto sorbent cartridges of approximately 60 grams. The sample extraction is then done in a large volume of solvent, which needs to be concentrated down to reach the limits of detection required in the analysis. In the morning, we're left with a 300 ml sample extract, which we then take for concentration on the rotary evaporators. The sample extract is taken for cleanup using a multi-layer cleanup system, the DPS. This is an exciting piece of kit, as it is state-of-the-art. It uses a multi-layer liquid chromatography system to remove contaminants and leave us with compounds of interest. Our sample extracts are analysed by thermo-DFS dual acquisition systems using isotope dilution techniques, so all compounds of interest have their own carbon-13 labelled analogue. This allows for accurate quantification of the samples. Our data is then tabulated into a final report, which includes the internal standard recoveries, sampling standard recoveries, and toxic equivalency of the sample.
Our reports give the customer all the information they need to make decisions if needed and to remain compliant, which includes method of uncertainty and regulatory limits. Customers can rely on us for accurate results and quick turnaround times when needed.